What's up, guys? Mike here. Today we are going to go over a sector that I think is now pretty much dirt cheap, and it is pretty much at the bottom, and I think this sector is time to be a buying sector. Now, there's various ways you can buy this sector. You can buy it either with individual stocks, ETFs, leverage, and we're going to go over some stocks that you might consider getting into, because I think this sector is completely bottomed out, and there will be a time where this sector is going to explode, and I think that sector is going to be now. All right, this is probably the next sector we're going to switch into after all these, since we just finished the airlines, the cruises, the banks. I think the next sector we are going to definitely be moving on from tech and all those others is the biotech sector. It is just one of the most undervalued sectors right now, and of course that sector is none other than biotech sector, the biology, the pharmaceuticals. This sector is pretty much bottomed right now. It's been hit hard. It's been hit really hard, and the past few days some of these stocks have started to go back up, right? So the sector switch is coming. You might as well get into it before it rapidly goes up and you miss the bottom. Anyways, guys, with that said, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Check out my Patreon page if you want to trade with us. We are doing relatively well, and I hope you guys join us. So if you want to be part of that, link in the description box below. Anyways, with that said, guys, let's just begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what are some stocks that are in the biotech sector that we can possibly start getting into and buying, because as we can see, this ETF, this is a triple leverage ETF, LABU, LABU, Direction Daily, S&P, Biotech, Bull, 3 times leveraged. This right now has been hit pretty hard bottom, right? Like it looks like around the 62, 61, 63 was like a nice bottom dip to get in. And every time it does that, it does go to around 80-ish and starts dropping back down, right? And it looks like a lot of resistance here. But the past 2 days, it has started to pull up like this. Look at this death cross right here. This is a death cross. Usually this tends to be very, very bullish if the next day trades right into the box. All right, and we just did that. We just traded right back into the 5-day moving average, right back into the box. Usually when you have a death cross with the next day trading right back into the cross, this is a super bullish sign. All right, this is a bullish signal. You cannot find a more bullish signal than this. All right, this is probably going to start moving up very rapidly. Because it is triple leverage, it does usually tend to move about $5 to $6 in a single day. So definitely be aware of this triple leverage fund. This fund moves very quick. All right, I'm not joking. This fund moves very quickly. You can burn really hard holding this ticker. You're moving around $5-6 up or down in either direction. So be very careful if you do trade LABU ticker. Let's see what are in the holdings for this ticker, right? So pretty much they have the government cash funds, right? The management. They have Goldman Sachs Treasury in here. And they also have the United Therapeutics, Moderna, another vaccine. We have VCell. We also have Dynavax. They also do vaccine. Amgen, another really great dividend company. Well, let's check out how they're doing on the charts, right? I think they're doing pretty phenomenal. And as you can see, it's just these dividend companies are just killing it, right? Amgen is one of those huge companies that are destroying it. They're doing really well. AbbVie is a great one. Look at that. AbbVie is just explosive, right? It is definitely one of my favorite tickers, and also S&P 500 dividend companies you can own. Now we also have Novavax, right? Look at Novavax, NVAX. Novavax has been killed, right? It's been killed, and finally it's starting to be on a nice bullish uptrend. Today it pulled back the past 2 days, but today it started moving right back up, right? What else we got here that are pretty good? Cytokinetics, that's a very good one. Alexion, ALXN, I do like this company. Definitely check this one out. Oh my god, yeah, this one just exploded. I haven't even been keeping up with this one. This one really took off a couple of days ago. Wow, on Friday it just shot up. Wow, that was like a $10 move almost. Wow, like $6. Yeah, wow. It's just been going up nicely here. Next one, we also have CareDX. I don't like that one. Hellozyme. We have Gilead. This one is just such a slow growth company. It is definitely a long-term company you might want to consider. I think it has plenty of room to go up here, but we don't know what the top is. It could hit around $68, $70 and then go right back down, right? Just has some room to move up if you're gonna get into Gilead. We also have Regeneron. Oh my God, this company is just killing it. It's very expensive stock, right? But from its all-time highs, it has dropped significantly. And I think this one has a lot of room to run, especially if it trades right back into the 200-day moving average, which is this red line here. Oh my God, this will be super bullish if we see that. Right, it has been getting killed pretty hard, right? Look at the all-time highs the past couple months, right? We have one in July 2020. It hit an insane $664 all-time high. We're still like $160 under that, so it has plenty of room to run if you're gonna get in. It just went super bullish. Look at that, it's been super bullish the last few days. It's been taking off. I think it has plenty of room to run if you're gonna do Regeneron. That's a pretty good one. Agio, I don't know too much about that one. AGIO. Let's check out that one. AGIO. Oh, wow. This one has some room. Not a lot. Around probably 58.60 will probably be your top on that one. Macrogenics, MGNX. That's a pretty good one, too. Check that company out. Wow, this one's pretty much all dried up. It's too high. I wouldn't recommend getting into that one. That one's pretty high. Mankind. Don't know too much about these. Alcars, don't know too much about these. Let's check out Johnson & Johnson. You might not consider this one as a biotech, but they are pharmaceutical. They do provide vaccines. The vaccine just got approved again in Europe. And look at that. It did take off nicely yesterday. Wow. Okay. Nice. All right. The vaccine got held in by FDA here in the US, but Europe is starting to kick right back into it. All right. They did pretty good. Now, there's a few others you guys can check on FinViz, right? This is your health pharmaceutical section where you can check out other companies, right? If you zoom in here, what are your drug manufacturer companies you can buy, right? Anthem, not these because these are just like healthcare, right? Like, let's say United Healthcare, right? I wouldn't do these because this is just healthcare. They're just already exploded. CVS. CVS has barely any room to run. We also have CL all maxed out, right? Merck. This is my favorite. I've been telling you to get into Merck ever since it hit around $70, $71, $72. I've been pumping this stock for you guys to get in. I've been in it. I've been holding this, and this one, the target price for me is a $90 stock. I think this company has plenty of room. It is a $90 target. If we go check it out on Tip Ranks and put in Merck, look at what it's going to tell you. It's telling you $93, right? I'm telling you this stock has plenty of room to go. It has a target price for 93, but I'm saying it's going to go to 90. It's reaching pretty high, right? The RSI is getting really extreme. It just traded right into above the 200-day moving average. When you see that, this becomes extremely bullish. You definitely want to start seeing extreme bullish going on, right? Moving into the 200-day moving average is an extremely bullish signal, right? We might see it trade a little bit sideways, but this stock is going to continuously take off right now until it goes right below the 200 moving average. Right now, it's just, look at that. It is just the beginning of MACD taking over, right? MACD just took off. TSI took off. Look at that. Histogram is just starting to build up. Right? There's just so much room like this left in this. It is just starting to move up, and it's been doing phenomenal the past 2 days, right? This day and this day, it's just been taking off. I love this company really much. It is an excellent dividend company. They pay like over like 50, 60 cents a share for dividend investors. Oh man, right? Look at that. What's BIIB? BIIB might be something you guys should look into. I don't know too much about it. It looks like it has a lot of room. It's been just building up. Look at that constant build up. This is actually could be a very good trade, right? Oh my God, this could be a really, really good trade. It's an expensive stock, don't get me wrong, but wow, this could move really big, right? It's been consolidating like crazy. Look at that, consolidating here like crazy. And if it moves right back into the 200 moving average, we could see this go to like $300. Wow. BIIB. Let's check what TipRank says this is worth. You know, like BIIB, Biogen. They're saying it's worth $307. That's 15% room for growth. All right, that's enough room for making some money. Pfizer, I wouldn't recommend getting into this. This is just way too overvalued. I think the top for this is going to be around 41, 42. It's just way too overvalued, overbought like crazy. Look at that RSI. It's insane. Every time we go to an extreme RSI, sell off, maximum madness sell off. You get from a $40 all the way down to like 33 several times. Look at that. Last time it did that too. If we go to the weekly chart, we can see how many times it's been doing that. And it's been doing this several times. It goes to 32, 40. Like last time it even went 29 to like 36 and back to 32, back to like 42. And I would not recommend getting into Pfizer. I think it's way too overvalued. It's just too high. Lilly, let's check out Lilly. Lilly is pretty good. This one has room. This one has a lot of room. You can see this around 212 to 215. If we check out TipRanks, how much it's saying it could be worth, this could be a good trade. Lilly sounds like a very good one. They also do vaccines and many inhalers. Look at that. $231 target right now at 190. That's a 20% profit right there. A lot of room. BMY, I think we did this one. I'm not sure. BMY, Bristol Myers Squibb. Yeah, this one's just becoming very overvalued. Chart saying it has some room to go. All right. I think it's just too overvalued here. I would not add BMY, Bristol Myers Squibb. I think it's just way too high for this biotech sector. 76, it's saying you have a 15%. I highly doubt that. It hasn't been there for a very long time. Every time it goes to around 66, it just drops. So it has a lot of resistance here. If it can beat this resistance, yeah, you're right. It can go to 76. I just don't see that happening right now, especially with the market condition we have. So check out your biotech sectors. LABU could be one that you might want to trade if you know how to manage your risk. LABU could be a good one. This is a high-powered moving triple leverage fund. Just be very, very careful. This could drop on you like a rock. All right, I'm warning you. Be very careful if you do this one. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys, sells there, but most of that is going to be done on my Patreon page, so check the link in the description box below. Join us, trade with us. And anyways, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you'd like me to do a video on, or if you have questions on a specific stock, leave a comment below. Let me know, and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Also, do not miss out on the promotion right now going on with WeBull right now, where they're giving 4 free stocks, 2 when you sign up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 4 stocks, and 2 of those will be valued at minimum of $8 all the way up to $1,400. Check the link in the description box below. If you want another free stock, of course, we have FirstTrade. Check that one out. They give really good, decent stocks for free. Also, finally, we have Robinhood. Check the link in the description box below for that one as well. Thanks again for watching my video. And until next time, make money with Mike.